ballers big hits. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Flash through the mud, I get a check. These selling run on my bands and my chest. Chanel dress.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my second ever video. You know, I hope you all enjoyed my last video that I made. It was quite fun to film. But today, I'm back and it's a tutorial of how to do this look. The two ponytails, I think it's cute, it's easy. I've also showed you like a different hairstyle that you can do, but obviously I didn't go into detail because I was doing this one. Yeah, so I hope you like it. Also, if you guys want me to do like a more in-depth and like more detailed video of how I do my edges, then just comment down below and I'll do. So originally I wasn't going to do a voiceover, but you know, background noise and stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm starting off with wet hair. I just start off with wet hair before styling just because I find it easier. What I'm doing right now is putting my Cantu conditioning cream all through my hair just because these curls needed some moisture because my hair's been, as I said, styled for a couple of days now and is lacking some juice, you know. So now I'm just grabbing my comb, and to get my middle part in straight I just measure up from the centre of my nose. You just want to part this all the way back until you have two bunches in your hair. Now I've got my hair in two pieces. I'm just going to tie up one into a bun for later use, and I'm just going to start brushing through my hair to make sure there's no knots, because as you should know, if you have curly hair, if it's not brushed through, it's not going to slick very nicely. So once I've done brushing, I'm just going to add some eco gel to my hair. I'm going to put it all around where the parting is and around the front of my hair. If you guys are looking for a really good hair gel, I really do recommend Eco Gel. It's literally the only hair gel that's ever kept my hair slicked. That I've tried so many and none of them work. So even though it makes you go bald apparently, you know, I'ma still use it. I'm now brushing my hair back with a comb and a brush. I used the brush to originally stick it down, and then I used the comb to just make sure everything's flat, everything's down. I'm then tying my hair in a low ponytail. You repeat that for the next side as well. Once I finish this ponytail, I'm just going to tie it up with a rubber band and then move on to my edges. I do my edges with a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, and a spoolie brush, so literally just my eyebrow brush and a toothbrush. I'm not going to go into detail about how I do my edges just because I don't think I should in this video. If you guys want me to make another one about it, then I shall do that for you. Yeah, just bear with me with my edges because it was a struggle, a real struggle, and you can probably see on the other side. really struggling to get the same shape as I did on the other side. I always find it harder to do one side of my edges than the other. Like the first side I start with will be so nice, and then I'll do the next side and it just won't go down how I want it to. But yeah, bear with me whilst I struggle. It's going to be done soon. Now that my edges are on fleek the fuck, I can move on to the actual hairstyle. So basically, you could either leave it like this with the two bunches out, or you could put in a little bun, just like how I'm doing now. You could leave it like that, or in a bigger bun. But because I'm doing the two ponytails, I'm going to braid my two bunches just down to the ends and tie it with a little rubber band. That might confuse you, so pay attention. I'm just going to get my track and a bobby pin, put the track through the bobby pin like this, and then attach the bobby pin to my braid, but make sure you do it properly because it will fall out like mine just did. But once you've got it secured properly, wrap the track all the way up to the top of the braid until there's no track left. When you get to the top and reach the end of the track, just secure it again at the base with another bobby pin, and then repeat the exact same thing you just did then on the other braid. is just grabbing a piece of hair, brushing it out, making sure it's flat, and then wrapping it around the base of the ponytail, just so you can't see any bobby pins or tracks or anything, and it makes it look a lot nicer and more presentable. So what I'm doing now is literally just grabbing a bottle of water and just spraying it in the hair, because it's human hair, so obviously when it's wet it goes into a nice curl, or like nice wave I'd say. So I'm just wetting it, scrunching it, making it look nice. So to finish it off, I'm just going to put more of that Cantu that I put in my real hair onto the tracks, just to make it smell nice. And then that is it. You are done, and that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.